Dr. Greg here with another episode of Emotional Wellness Minute. And today I'm going to be talking about what really makes a healthy mindset. The first thing I need to get out of the way is that all of us have thoughts that cause uncomfortable emotions and that can get in the way of our life from time to time. So you are not alone if you come to this video and thought, boy, is it just me? The truth is, it's not. Very commonly, people have doubts about their self worth and abilities, concerns about what could go wrong in the future, get stuck and fixated on problems that have already happened, or get very judgmental about themselves and others. Having a healthy mindset is not the absence of uncomfortable or unhelpful thoughts because we're all going to have them. It's being intentional about trying to see the good and bad in all situations and double checking whether we have overlooked some piece of information so that we can adapt how we're thinking, being flexible about how we think. It also means pausing to check whether or not how we think and feel match the situation. Right? Does our anger or anxiety in the moment make sense given what's happening around us? And finally, it might not matter so much the exact thoughts that we have. What maybe matters more is that we're living our values. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.